Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Keith Everett, and I just want to talk to you about our brand new group, Inspired to Make Money. Who is this group for? It's for anyone that wants to make money online. Anybody at all. Whether you're looking for a full-time business or whether you're looking for a side hustle, this is the group for you. Now, it's a private group and it's fairly new. We've not been going very long, and we're looking for some new members. What could you expect from this group? Well, the first thing that you won't get is spam. This is a complete spam-free group. It's only about good content. So I'm going to put some of the best content on the internet in this group. Now, let me just flip through some of the things that we've got going on in this group. First of all, let me give you a general view. First thing you'll see when you come into the group is this welcome video. That's welcoming you to the group. Then what basically people are doing here is they're posting good videos, podcasts, blog posts, etc., etc. And we're also posting those things as well into the group to make the group as interesting as possible, because we want you to come back every day and see something new. Simple as that, okay? It's about inspiring people, keeping people inspired. So this is a quick flip through through the group. Let me show you the sections of the group itself. If you click the announcements tab here, it will show you each section. Just bear with me. First thing is the podcast corner. Now look, we all like good podcasts, right? We can download them and listen to them in the car or whatever. And what we're doing here is we're adding some great podcasts that are available online to download. And this is the section for that. Below that is the blog post section. So any blog posts that are put into the group, we also put them into this section as well. So you'll see there's a lot of good content piling up there underneath that section. Below that we have inspirational video posts. We all like good videos. So what are those videos about? Inspiration, they're about business, various things, affiliate marketing, anything they can be. All right, and those all go below this particular post. You'll also see these in the group as well. Probably the most important post in the group is the network post. Now look, everybody really who is online and wants to make money in business needs to upgrade their peer group, because it's said that we are the average of the 5 people we know the most. Now, if you don't know a lot of business people, people that are interested in what you're interested in, this is a great place to come, because you can just post a little bit about yourself under here. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. And you can also see all the other people that may have the similar interest to you. So you can network with these people, okay? So that's the group. The link is below. So don't forget to give that a click, join the group. The group is free to join. There's no cost whatsoever. And although it's a private group, it's open to everybody at the moment. So click the link below this video, join the group. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and then you'll get all the latest videos that I do here. You take care. Bye for now.